Hello everybody, welcome back to Buck Does It. Update number 7 on the Cruda. Figured I'd give you the final where I ended up at first, and I'll probably be working on the hook pins later on today, or this morning rather. But you can see I got the radiator in, I put the lights back in, made myself a license plate. But there we go, so let's get at it. Alright, let's flip this around. I'm going to work on that fender, the door, and do some body work until order more parts and get more parts in. I hope she starts. Sweep this up. I got a plug wire I left off. Huh. Hey, my fuel system works. Aha! I did something right anyway. What was I going to say? I want to turn this around and I can start working on putting the fenders and the hood and stuff on. And then in the meantime, I need to order battery cable, radiator, stuff like that. Then when I get closer to taking it to the track, I'll get tires. I don't know what I'm gonna do with tires yet. You get new ones or try to find some used ones. I'll probably try to find some used ones for now. There we go. Because a clean bay is a happy bay. know what they say, you gotta keep at it. Might as well do what I can get done. Working on the fenders and the hood and stuff, I don't need no cash flow there. Well, maybe a little bit, but not a lot. So, I can work on that stuff in the meantime, so I get some more cash flow. Alright, let's get her back in here. He's a little crooked. A little crooked. That's better. Alright, here we go. Well, this here Cruda is gonna sure put a test on my abilities for panel fitment. Yeah, we got it raised here. I got it set up pretty here, set up there pretty good. Same way over here, but it's raised here, so I don't know. I'm gonna dig into that, and then this hood here is gonna give me some fiberglass repair experience, let me tell you. But otherwise, I got a couple of messed up spots. We'll straighten all that out. I cut all that out, put new stuff in, and fix them holes. That hole. I want to cover these ones in and these ones in, and just have. I want to see about using hood hinges, and then just put hood hinges on it, and then 2 hood pins rather than 6 hood pins. That's my plan anyway. You know, plans or goal. That's my goal, because goals can be changed. All right, started on the fitment. Got this pretty much okay here. It's a little high here, but it doesn't go down. I'm not really worried about that too much, because this door was out about that far. Maybe about that far down on the bottom here. Now you push the door in. Now this is doing good, and I'm getting a better gap here at my, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm getting a better gap down the side of the hood. Now this gap is bigger, so the whole hood should go that or this way a little. I'm not going to worry about that till I get that door on. I can adjust this fender a little better. But what I'm working on now is this front header, and what I'm having troubles with is it's sticking up here and it's sticking up over there too. So I think I could squeeze this to pull this down here, because I got this pretty much straightened out here, and you can see there's no gap here and I got a gap here, the same way over here. But, I know this will lift up, but I think I can squeeze down before I have to lift it up. So there, and I have to go get the valance, the front valance yet too, and put that on here so I don't push the fenders out too far. So it's gonna be it's a challenge, let me tell you. So far it's been a challenge, and all these corners are all bent up here, and then straighten them out, both sides. Now this is bent, this is twisted up. Let's see if we can bend that down. I also did get a center mark there, so I got the fenders. I think they're off by a 32nd, or is it 16? No, it's a 32nd. I'm off by a 32nd, so I'm happy with that. And then the hood hinges, well, that works pretty good. Just that gap there. But this hood is thinner than the header. It'll be all right. All right, I wanted to give you an update on how far I am here, a progress report, what have you. But I got the grill repaired in a few different spots here. I was in there with paint stripper and the torch and stuff to get all the paint off of it, but I still got some flaws and stuff. But it's so brittle. Every time I touch it, it was cracking, so I had to fix it in a bunch of different places. Got the lights in. I did get this header panel and the bottom panel to squeeze in here. I got this to a nice fitment right here. I got the bumper down. I opted to use the steel bumper. I just thought it might look better, just like the rear bumper. I sanded. I had to get all the paint off of it also. Same way with all the trim. I had to glue some of the headlight bezels. All that's mounted. I got the valance on, and I put a brace in here to keep it a little steady. I also put a brace. You probably can't see it. I'll show you here in a minute. Well, here I'll just get it right now. I'll walk you around a little bit too. Right down in here, I put a brace up in here to stiffen the header panel and all. And then I've just painted this gray just to try to take away from all the black. It's starting to grow on me. And then I'll show you what I did here under the hood. Hood prop. I made these aluminum plates here, so when I put the hood pins in, it's a little steady, a little bit more support. Right? So I got all the bolts in the grill. Got the grill. Still got to tighten that up yet. And you can see that center support going down through there. That stiffened all of this up over there. I just painted the inside of the fenders black. I have everything just about all tightened up here. I got 2 bolts on the bottom to do yet. That fender's completely done over there. Let me see if I can unplug this without losing you, and then plug it back in. My battery's running low, so I'll plug it back in and see how it works. I wanted to show you the other side there too. Let me get this out of here. I'll set this down. I still have work to do with the hood and fitment. This side is pretty tight up there. Over here, it's the best I can do. It's wide up there and tight here, but I can move this hood. I can move this hood around, and I might get better. And then I'm limited to my cord. I don't like this. So anyway, all right, here we go. Got the fender on. That's all tightened up. I was just down here. Got 2 bolts in down on the bottom here, so nice and solid. The door opens fine. Let's see if we come out here a bit farther. So she's looking pretty good. We getting it. Let me put you down in here. All right, so with that, we'll keep motoring here. We'll keep at it, and then I'll keep you updated. So with that, I want to thank y'all for stopping by. I want you to remember to be good. If you can't be good, be kind. And please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.